Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Visa gift card to pay on Shein. So let's get started. So here we are, and here we are on Shein, and first let's add some product into our cart so that we would be able to check out. So let's say I want to buy this one right here, and I'm just going to choose a size and add it to cart. And now here it is. So from here, now that we have something on our cart, we can go back to our cart right here and proceed to checkout so that we would be able to use the Visa gift card right here. So what we're going to do from here is that you are going to go here into the payment method section right here. So from here, what you want to do is just choose credit or debit card right there. And once you're done with that, and also you might also want to check your coupon right here so that you would have lesser price to pay. So I suggest that you set it all up before you proceed to place order right here while selecting credit or debit card. So click now or tap on the place order. And from here, what you want to do is that you would want to scan your card by tapping here in this scan button just at the right side of the card number. So you want to do that and tap on allow on this, and then you want to scan the card right here, which is your Visa gift card, and so on. Or you just maybe want to go and put the details right here by yourself. It depends on what you want, but that is basically what you need to do. And after that, after you have provided the details right here, you can now place an order just like so right here. Just tap here on the place order at the bottom right, and that is basically it. So yeah, I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching.